Alright, so we're back. We're heading to Rockford Speedway for, what's the meet again?
Elite Tuner.
Elite Tuner. There's supposed to be some drifting and stuff going on there. A bunch of cool cars. There's a couple of our buddies already there. I've seen it. There's quite a, it looks packed. But, we're about 25 minutes out. And hopefully it's as good as I hope it's gonna be. I've had that a lot where it's not actually as good in the past couple meets, but hopefully it's as good as it looks. But we'll get some drifting on and a couple cool cars. More than a couple probably, but
We're also really late.
yeah, we're like really late. We were supposed to leave like 4 hours ago. But we'll see you there. So we had to make a quick pit stop to Advance Auto for his power steering because it leaks anytime he drives it. Are you putting it in now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Before we get there.
Yeah. Why? So nobody hears it?
I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it's just annoying. You know.
Only 4? Where's the other 4?
Check my fucking bank account and then ask me that question. Ow. Who's making all that? Shut up.
I hear turbo noise. Oh, Duramax. You hear that? That thing. That thing's holy dang.
Oh, then you have to. Xander.
That thing's empty.
Yeah.
Dude, it is like empty. Well, yeah, we had to make a quick pit stop because he's embarrassed. And he keeps blaming me for the power steering leak.
It is your fault.
I don't think it is, but don't spill.
Not a drop.
But you can kind of hear it. The track's right down there, a little bit. But
There's more than one guy. Do they allow it?
what?
Do they allow more than one guy on the track?
I don't know. I think it depends on who it is. But we're gonna go right down the street and
All right.
be there, I guess, basically. But is it good?
A little bit past full, but who gives a fuck?
It leaks it out, so.
It's gonna go bye-bye anyway.
So I guess we'll see you there.
Wait, no, I said don't close the hood.
I thought you said close it. Little Pro Charger. Pretty cool. And then you got the R8.
This thing's hot.
Here we got another 300ZX. Oh, let's swap.
You gotta bring yours out like this.
Bro, I do. You got the Chevy orange too.
It won't focus.
Looks.
There
I recognize that car.
It's almost like that car was in a 5-foot ditch. It's almost like the car was in a 5-foot ditch.
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, and you didn't even get it on film. You going in or out.
Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it.
That truck go hard, bro. Huh? He does? Yeah. That truck go hard. I like it. So that's a wrap for the car show. They're still out doing it, but we're heading out. Gonna grab some
eats.
We hungry a little bit. Not very hungry because we just ate a little bit long, but we're a little hungry. But it wasn't that, not gonna lie, it wasn't that fun.
We're also just really tired and been to so many car meets recently.
Yeah, this one's pretty much exactly the same as the one that was here last time. I mean, there's a lot more people, but
there is different. There's more exotic cars.
Oh yeah, there's a couple exotic cars in there. But we're gonna go grab something to eat and head on home. All right, so we had Buffalo Wild Wings. It was good. I liked their wings this time. Had a little side of fry too.
Yeah.
He got gypped a wing.
Yeah, they only gave me 9 wings. What is that?
But yeah, their wings were pretty good. Finally got the Buffalo Wild Wings app, and I have an offer if I spend $10 or more, I get a free 6-piece wing. So I'm gonna use that next time. I didn't know I had that, but that's a wrap for this video today. That was pretty fun. I mean, I think we're gonna take a break from the meets, like we were talking earlier. We go to them every weekend, and sometimes twice a weekend. They're probably gonna beep about me, so I'm gonna buckle too. But that's a wrap for today's video.